Today I'm here in a pretty popular restaurant called Kitchen Kong, like Menam Kong. And I've taken the ladies here today for lunch. This is a really busy spot at lunchtime. They do serve like quick order food over rice. That's really inexpensive. We're here for the menu items today. We actually ate here not too long ago and the food was spectacular, but this is another great spot to eat here in Nakhon Phanom. We've got a good spot here inside here, air conditioned. This place accommodates a lot of people. They've got it outside, inside, and another big section with air conditioning in the back. So this is a comfortable spot for mafia. Chop, mate? Okay. They've got a very large menu, lots of stuff. Okay, Chongal, here's to lunch and the new norm. I got the small cup because I'm driving. Chauffeur, leg, gal leg, cup leg.
Yeah, baby.
This is the new norm in Thailand. Like they can sell beer, but they just can't show it. It can't be exposed. Okay, we got, man, this looks so good. Hamoทะเลนี่คืออะไรแกงส้มชะอม with some shrimp กุ้ง okay, and look at this, we had this last time here. ใส่ปูหอยจ้อจ้อปู Yeah, you guys got all that? Excellent. You gotta try this. It looks awesome. Oh, I don't know why in Thailand they like to leave the tail on, but anyway, it's good to hold it. All right, let's give some of this soup a try. Very hot. I like hot. Man, this is really good. Did you try this? Oh, there's a lot of squid in here. Paige is allergic to shellfish. She can eat freshwater shrimp, but not any squid or freshwater. None of that. And we have some, this is a yum tale. Yum tale, looks really good. All right, now we've got yum hoy, oyster. Very spicy, yeah, what she said. Everything here, for the most part, is pretty healthy.
เดี๋ยวเราจะชิมคำหนึ่งก่อนไว้เด็ก
Yeah, she's only eating a little bit. This is healthy food. There's no fattening food here.
อร่อยมากแบบนี้ก็ด้วยมันแง่นุ่มกินเต็ม
Am I?
เฮ็ดเป็นไร
Pet means spicy. Pet, like your pet at home. Pet, spicy. Pet. If it's not spicy, my pet might annoy.
ได้ได้
It's not good if it's not spicy. Thai food is much better spicy. The kids have to all go to the bathroom together, huh? Man, we killed all this food.
order what you want and then just like they order that ห่อหมกทะเลมาเป็นแน่ใช่ไหมtonight we're not eating tonight
Okay, all of that food was about $45. Pretty good deal, and the ladies drank 4 beers. But this is some of the best food in Nakhon Phanom. You gotta come try it. Really good seafood, amongst other things, and they also have a lot of food over rice. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. They've been really gracious hosts, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Say bye. Say bye, Gordon. Bye. Thank you very much.